If you are planning of using Dulux Brume Half for your next project, please stay tuned because I'm going to share what undertone this color has, what are the best whites to pair up with this undertone, how this color behaves in your north, west, south and east facing rooms. Hello everyone to my channel. My name is Bozica. I'm qualified interior designer and color specialist. The first thing we are going to do when we are testing a paint color is always have a pure vivid white and a white background. I've seen many of you email me and you almost all the time have small paint samples, which are wrong. You should always have a 8x4 size samples when you're testing a color. And you always take photos with your paint swatch on the floor. You are not painting the floor, you are painting the wall. So you have to test your colors vertically, not horizontally. You always have to have a pure white because we want to see when we work with neutrals what undertone is there. So for this particular color, we are working gray with the blue undertone. So you can see really soft, lovely blue coming through. And you can see the lovely contrast between these two colors. And it looks quite cool next to the pure white. Now the LRV of this color is 70. What is that telling us? 0 is the darkest, which is black, and 100 is the lightest, which is the pure white. So this color sits in a 70, which is telling me that it's perfect for open space living. So you can definitely paint your whole open space living, or for example, if you have an entryway, but your whole color scheme has a lot of lovely gray with the blue undertones, you can definitely go for it and use this color. Now, what are the best whites to pair up with this particular color? So I have 3 samples here that I have tested and I have also used over the years. So the first one that you can use is a Lexicon Half. But even though I say all this, it is very important for you to know what type of windows do you have, what color is your windows, because it's a fixed element. Do you have flooring or do you have tiles? That is also important because they will have undertones. What type of kitchen do you have? So you can't just choose a color because you like it and then paint it on a wall. It doesn't work like that. You have to look at your fixed elements, see what neutrals they have, and then we can see whether this color would work on your wall. That's why I'm reviewing this paint color and talking about undertones, because you need to know all these steps before you choose the paint color. Paint color is the last thing you choose, not the first thing you choose. So this is a Lexicon Half. It's a lovely white with the blue undertone. As you can see, there's a little bit of contrast, not a lot, but this color would definitely work really well because both of them have a lovely blue undertone. Now the other white that would work really well is white on white, and I'm going to show you. So this is white on white. It has a bit more depth, quite crispier than Lexicon Half, and there's a lovely contrast. But I just want to show you, when you have pure vivid white, how much contrast you get with the pure vivid white. That's why I like when you have darker colors like this with the LRV of 70, 65 and 60. I love using pure white because it creates that lovely contrast with your architrave skirtings and doors compared to the walls. So it just works beautifully. And then my favorite that I would use with this particular color would be Lexicon Quarter. It just works like magic. So still lovely contrast, but it has that blue undertone and it works really well with this particular gray with the blue undertone. Now, when it comes to north facing rooms, this color would look really lovely, soft, warm and bright. When it comes to your south facing rooms, it would look really dark and cool. So just be careful of that. Because every color needs light to reflect. So if you have south facing rooms, in that instance I would introduce a lot of artificial light just to give the color brightness. In your east facing rooms, you will have the lovely morning sun. The color is going to look really bright and happy and warm, and then by the afternoon it's going to look really dark. So the color will change throughout the day and it will behave differently in different parts of your home. And in your west facing part of your home, it's just going to look so warm because when that sun hits that color and just the intensity of the sun, especially obviously obviously here in Australia, it's just gonna look stunning. In west facing room, it's going to look the best. So that is it for today's video. In tomorrow's video, I'm gonna continue with using Dulux Brume Half, but I'm gonna show you how to use it in exterior color selection. Ciao for now.